Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see your to-do on Fiverr. Maybe you want to know on how many messages you get on Fiverr or how many orders you get from your clients on Fiverr. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to see your to-do on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see below your home button, message icon, list icon, and then your profile icon. In today's tutorial, you simply need to scroll down below. As you can see in here, you have your to-dos. And also, as you can see, 0 unread messages. Your response time is good. Keep up the great work. If client message you or clients orders in you, there will be an unread messages in here in your to-do. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to see your to-do on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to see your to-dos on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.